Hi guys! Today I'm gonna do an experiment or try something out for myself, and I hope this will work. So my idea is, normally I make the design in the middle with the colors, and then on the outside there's the negative space. But this time I want the white in the middle, and the top part I want a sort of sunset color, and the bottom part I want ocean colors. I have no clue how to tackle this. I got some ideas to do this, and I'm just gonna try it and see if this works or not. So let's go. Okay. Let me see. I want like this, the sunset, and then like this, the ocean, but maybe a little subtle touch. I don't know yet. I've got yellow, violet, red, violet. I don't have a lot of this left. And I was thinking a little bit of gold in there, just like that. And then on this side, the ocean colors. I'm using a lot of paint on here. I think it's way too much, but we'll see. This is just a test, and hopefully it's a beautiful test, of course. Some Prussian blue in there. A little bit more. And I got very light turquoise. I feel like this is way too much primary blue. I want more contrast. Maybe a bit of bronze here as well. So I will blow the white over the colors and also here, and then let's see what we have. It's so busy. There are so many cells in this. I would like to have this part sort of more solid blue. Okay, that's better. Okay, it's cool. Yeah, it's cool. Something different, totally different. I'm starting with the winter blue this time. Okay, let's pour here the white. Here we... Okay, this is different. They both turned out way different as well. Let me torch this one. Okay, so this part, yeah, it's not nice. So let me try to take that off. Bit. So this is something different, way different. I don't know yet if I'm in love with this. I don't know. But it was very fun to do, but I think I would have liked it better that I didn't use different color combinations. That it was more one. Yeah, it's nice. Something different. Let me see how this dries and if it grows on me. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, like button, and I'll see you next video.